So what happens when one of the curves shifts? I'm going to draw 4 little market supply and demand situations. Okay, so where all of them are at equilibrium, actually mark that. We have an equilibrium price and quantity. So what happens if the demand curve shifts out? So that looks like this. The demand curve is shifting to the right. So at every single price, like this original price, quantity demanded is higher. At this price, quantity demanded is higher. Every point on the demand curve has shifted to the right or shifted out. So we have a new equilibrium. We've moved along the supply curve, so we've increased quantity supplied. We have a shift in demand, and so we see that our new equilibrium is at a higher price and a higher quantity. So let's just keep track of what we're doing. An increase in demand leads to an increase in price and increase in quantity. Equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity. Then we'll look at a decrease in demand, an increase in supply, and a decrease in supply. So here we'll do a decrease in demand. The curve shifts left. So you can see that, you know, it might be parallel, it might not be exactly parallel, the line might not be straight to begin with, it might have a bit of a curve. The point is that everything is shifting left, and here we have a new equilibrium with a lower price and a lower quantity. So decrease P star, decrease Q star. If supply increases, so there I drew it with kind of a really different slope. Here we see a decrease in price and an increase in quantity. And if supply decreases, shifts to the left, we have an increase in price and a decrease in quantity. So this is decrease in price, increase in quantity, increase in price. So these are all the outcomes of price and quantity when we have shifts in demand and supply. Now, I don't recommend necessarily memorizing them, just being able to go through this yourself. I mean, on an exam, I myself, still, after all these years, you know, I'll draw a quick little demand and supply curve and move that curve over and see what happens. And so it's totally fine to not really know this by heart, but be able to, the point is to be able to figure it out again anytime you need to. So again, with questions, just ask them in the discussion board.